And so these are the two questions why the release pipeline option is missing from the Azure pipeline. So hey guys, welcome back. So in this lecture I am going to show how you can resolve the two main issues in the Azure DevOps. When you first time creating the project in the Azure DevOps, so that time you need to do some settings. So if you go to the pipeline sections, you can't see the release pipeline is there. If I click on this pipeline and if I trying to create a pipeline, here I can see only the YAML option is there. There is no classic editor pipeline option is there. So how can we enable this one? So for that you need to go to your organization. This is the one, your organization, or directly you can click on this Azure DevOps, and under there you can see here in the left bottom organization setting is there. And if you scroll down, you can see pipeline is there. So go to the settings of the pipeline. Now here you can see there are the two options. Disable the creation of the classic build pipeline. This is on, you need to make it off. And second, disable the creation of the classic release pipeline. So you need to make it off. And this is stage chooser. So I'm going to make it off. So these three settings you need to make it off. This is the first things we have to do here. Second thing, now I'll go back to this organization, and if I go to the project, and if I see the pipeline sections, I can see the release pipeline option is there. And if I click on the pipelines option is there, I'm going to create a new pipeline. So this time I can see the classic editor pipeline option. By these settings you can enable